Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina, the problem number 113. It reads as the front view of a rectangular lamina of sides 30 mm by 20 mm is a square of 20 mm sides. Draw the projections and determine the inclination of the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. So to do that, how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD? So first we'll go to the solution. So we can see the front view and we can see there is a side view also. So to do that, so first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the auto mode. So now the command is limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. And take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you drag the mouse towards the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and then go to the offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents, zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet. Fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between these two, and similarly between these two. Now we'll go for layer command. So click on new layer, type the layer by name X5. Enter. So click on new, type the layer name by name front view FV. Click on new, type the layer by name top view TV. And click on new, type the layer by name side view. Enter. Now we're going to change the line thicknesses. Then go to line weight, make the 0.05 at layer 0 because all the projector lines will going to have on the layer 0. Then the XY line will going to have 0.13 and then the front view will going to have 0.5. Okay, and similarly the top view will have the line weight as 0.5 and the side view will also have the line weight as 0.5. So once you do that, now we are going to close this. Now we'll go for writing this solution. So first we're going to draw 30 by 20 rectangle. So then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance, and again click on the first button of the mouse. You take to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse. So here you take 30 and here you take 20. So to do that, then go to offset, take the distance as 30, offset this vertical line here and offset 20, offset this horizontal line here. Then go to fillet between these two, and between these two. So once you do that, then we're going to draw a horizontal line of in distance. Then you take some distance in front of VP and again go to line, draw a horizontal line of any distance. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line between these two. Now you just go to this front view, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Similarly, so here just go to layer, so click on XY top view, make that as magenta color. Similarly, the front view should have blue color. Now the side view should have magenta color. So then you close it. Sorry, go to layer, make that side view as red color. Say okay. So this is how you will be able to change the layer. Then you just click on this. Sorry. Then you close this. You just click on this. Go to layer, change it to top view. Now you just go to the line weight display on. So once you do that, then you just come down to the second position wherein you have the 20 mm square. So to do that, so first we'll go for a line command, draw a line from intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly from here you draw a horizontal line and then from here line, take nearest point on this and draw perpendicular to this. So you take offset, go to offset, take the distance as 20 mm, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to break, take first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you just click on these two and click on these two. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you just come down to this line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw in front of VP of any distance, and then you transfer this distance is nothing but 30 mm. So to do that, so go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 30. Then break this circle in counterclockwise direction, and again take it on this side. Then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this and draw intersection point of this. Once you do that, then go to fillet between these two. Now you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as top view now. So again you just copy this entire drawing and copy it to the next position. Now you just go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim this. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary and the object to extend as this. Now you just go to break, take first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we have these 4 lines. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, then go to line, take continuous distance and draw a vertical line, that is x1 y1 line. Take intersection point of this at the rate 100 less than minus 45. Then once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and you take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So once you do that, then go to fillet between these two and then fillet between these two. Now you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw it on the 45-degree line. Then go to this and draw perpendicular to this, and then from here you draw this line. Then go to fillet in this line and also between these two. Then break. Then you just go to break, select this as the object and you just come down to this and say this is xy and this is x1 y1. Then go to erase. So here you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as side view. Once you do that, then go to zoom window. Then you click on this line and you click on this line. Go to layer, make that layer as xy. So now we have the drawing. Then go to modify, then go to primary units, make this as 0, this as up to second decimal point. Then go to text, take the distance as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above. Take this offset from the dimension line as 3. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3. Then go to offset from the origin is also as 3. Then say OK and say close. Now we go for dim. Take intersection point of this and take int of this and you take 30. Similarly, and int of this and take int of this and you take 20. Then again go to int of this and take int of this. So you're going to get 20. So again you're going to repeat the same thing. Then go to, so here, then go to dim, go to angular, select between these two lines. So you're going to get text 41.81. So space, enter and place it wherever you want. Then go to angular, select between these two. So you got 48.19. So go to text, So you space enter. So this is how you will be able to get this. Then go to dtext. Once you complete this dimension, so now again we have to, so go to dim, take int of this. Again you are taking the same distance here. So int of this and take 20. So now we'll go for a dtext command. So go to dtext, select this point and take the height as 3. Then you mark this as capital X. So here it is capital Y. So here it is X1 and here it is Y1. Once you do that, so you mark this as VP and this as HP and this as RPP. So once you do that, now we'll come down to this and switch off the caps lock. So mark this as A dash, B dash and C dash and D dash. Once you do that, then here you come down to A, small b, and here it's in bracket C because it is invisible. So you take D, so then you mark, move, select X and you select VP, you select HP and here you move this and take X1 and take Y1 and here you take Y. So you just click on this A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So go to layer, make that layer as front view. So similarly you just move that A dash. So you just click on HP. So you then just go to move. You take A, you take D, you take B and you take C. So here you just take this and the axis. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. So now we need to copy this. So go to copy, select this A dash and then you select this B dash and you select this C dash and you select this D dash. And here you copy this. So here A dash will come A, B, C, D. So here you just rotate in clockwise. So once you rotate in clockwise, so it will be copy, A dash will come here and B dash will come here, then C dash will come here and D dash will come here. So then copy, take A, take D, take B and take C. And now here then go to move A dash and this B dash and this C dash and then D dash. So here just go to dtext. So you mark this as A, you mark this as B, mark this as C and you mark this as D. So then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move. So you take B, you take B and A, you take D and you take C. Then go to select all these 4 points and change the layer to top view. So once you do that, now we go for A dash and D dash. So this point will be A double dash. So we're going to get visible D double dash and A double dash will be invisible. Then once you do that, then go to dtext. Here it is C double dash. Again it is going to be B double dash. Then go to move. So you move this D double dash and this A double dash. Similarly C double dash and B double dash. So then go to M text. So this is select this formatting, go to Arial, type symbol, select symbol, you make it as small q, which is theta, and you make it as small f. So you just copy this, then go to move, then here you type dd edit, select this and mark this as file f. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Then go to RPP, select these two and select these two. Then go to layer, make that layer as side view. So once you do that, you're going to get this. So this is how you'll be able to create the drawing. Then go to angular, then go to dim, type angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as text. So take 45 percentage D, enter, and then place it wherever you want. Then go to dim TD, extended dimension, select this and you keep it here. Now we need to consider this distance, so we need to type theta is 48.19. so go to D text, select some arbitrary point and you type 48.19 percentage D. So here it is 48.19, and we have one more, it is 41.81. So once you do that, then go to line. So you just click on the ortho on, drag this and keep it. Then go to line, take endpoint, then go to line, take nearest, and then go to move this 48.19. Then again go to offset, take the distance as 6, and similarly you take this. Then go to copy, select this, then go to copy 41.81. so go to dd edit, so you take this and here 41.81, and sum of these two should be equal to 90 degrees. Then go to trim, then go to D text, so type answers. So now you just copy, theta is 41.81. so copy this and here 5. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this is our final solution, and this one both will going to have the same thing. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.